What's up, YouTube? It's your boys KOK.
And we back with another top 10 business stunning anime fights. Part 4. I don't know why we so loud, man. You know, we gotta give that energy.
Because apparently I got energy problems. I got energy problems.
Yeah, we back with Annie Studios. You know, my boy stay dropping straight heat, man. We appreciate that. And we just gonna get right to it, man. Got White Cat Legend.
I ain't never heard of this anime. I ain't gonna lie.
I think I saw that jump before. Well, nah, never mind. I ain't never see it.
That's who it's about. The White Cat?
The furries.
Might be is it a Chinese anime?
Kind of look like it. Yeah, that look like. It look like same animation as Fall Killer 5 Elements.
You know what I'm saying? It got for sure good animation. And the art style fire too.
Yeah. I like the sort of unique art style on this
Like
show.
the lines are more bold.
Yeah. Slice. And John got a lot of detail too.
Mm-hmm. Look at that. That glow. Better turn up. Oh, he on all fours now.
I think that's like a female cat.
Oh.
Well, who knows?
I don't know what it is.
It's kind of hard. I ain't no cat person, so it's kind of hard to tell the difference between a male and a female cat.
Hey, what we can run on all fours?
I mean, you can if you train that way. So you just drunk your liquor, bro.
What's that liquor? What is that?
You let this man drink mid-fight, bro.
I mean, that's really disrespectful. Everybody animation, you going crazy right now, though. You got your ass shanked.
Expect the unexpected.
Damn. Damn.
Your homeboy still got stabbed, bro. That was one of the jokes that I wanted to watch and never did watch, bro.
See, I started watching. That's the crazy part. But I don't know what happened.
Ow, loud as fuck.
But see, I started watching the Jump Show. It was good, though. It just, I always get sidetracked by the anime at the same time.
Yeah. So he probably be like part tiger or something.
Yeah, White Tiger.
White tiger.
I think that's like the if I can't remember right. One of the most rare things on there. I'm thinking right. I can't remember. It's been a minute, a couple years.
That still look like Deku little stuff, little black lightning whip and all that stuff. I think that's what it's called.
Black Whip?
Yeah, Black Whip.
Damn. Why you just die like that? Red Tiger.
I say Burt wrapped him up. Oh, they could bind or something?
I'm sure what the fuck is going on right now.
Yeah, it's one of those things where you know, I guess. Oh yeah,
so they combine
together. Hey, synchronization.
What you call this shit?
I could have sworn they were like arch nemesis. So I saw like a fight happening between him and dude.
In the first beginning. I think they were beefing in the first beginning. That's I really can't remember. Bro.
It's like a cosmic tornado.
Sort of stranger.
Oh, I remember seeing it, John.
That would look crazy. You might tell me about this one, bro.
So much brutality. I think it's a movie.
Oh, it's a movie.
Yeah. I ain't watch.
It kind of remind me of what's the hell called?
Slash
Afro Samurai.
Slash
Or what's the other joint? Start with a C.
I often say Samurai Shampoo.
That's what I'm talking
whatever.
about.
I think I said it wrong anyway, but that joint she anime watch.
Okay.
I like this samurai type stuff, bro.
Yeah. And then the animation for the samurai shit was like kind of crazy too back then anyway.
We need to see blood.
I ain't gonna lie, he was so weak this fight.
Are we talking about Julius?
Nah. Lee.
Well, Julius, bro, hey, nerf my man.
They nerfed him for plot, cause honestly, let's be realistic.
Like, and then you got Time Grimoire that's fat as a mud.
You know what I'm saying? He had to target citizens to kill him. Let's be realistic. Had not been for the citizens, cause he would have his ass dog walk. No deal.
Like, look at this.
Well, look at this shit, bro.
Like, why does people nerf people, bro?
For plot, bro. They gotta make it juicy because they got a dude like this powerful.
What do you think is more powerful, time or light?
I hope I'm wrong about this.
As for anybody in the comment section, which do you think is more powerful, time or light?
I mean, I'd say time.
But light, well,
They say because you see what happened with time versus light right now. Technically he cheated.
Yeah.
If we being realistic, look at this shit. He can see the future, cuz.
Man, just toying with him, bro.
And the mind cheated, bro. And then the sisters made it even easier for them because they just sitting right there looking. I mean, don't get me wrong. If I was out there, I would be looking too. I ain't gonna lie.
That's like some Obi-Tour. I touch you, you
Look
lose.
at this nigga.
And as the Wizard King,
I just noticed this in dub. I ain't never watched. What you
It
call
was okay in dub. I watched it in dub. I watched it in dub and sub. See, look,
Well,
he cheated.
actually, that's really a power spell though. If you could target each single person in the kingdom, bro, it probably be like half a meal people on there.
They say he cheated. Had he not tried to protect them and try to fight them, no.
I still believe. I think he could have actually
First time back.
no, yeah, figure out a way, bro. Like I said,
He did. He rushed it way back though.
my boy
Like a
Zorro.
I think nigga racist.
Who, Zorro?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I be seeing a lot of they to my this man is racist, bro.
I just see that he got a bad sense of direction.
Nah, yeah, I be seeing folks say this man racist. I hear like black people.
Man, who?
I mean, it's all you gonna say. Well, who do?
I ain't gonna say on Black History Month. No. I was gonna say who? Never mind, bro. Alright, you just made me. I ain't even got nothing to say that about.
It
ain't
did
no
sound like
Uncle
you better.
Ruckus type nigga, man.
No Uncle Tom. It did. It sounded like you better say. Well, who do?
No Yosemite Sam, nigga. But he be going dumb though.
Oh, for sure.
This is my thing talking about the durability on them niggas' body, bro. Nigga be getting stabbed near the heart, still be alive.
I ain't like that animation going. Don't worry.
Yeah, One Piece do got some good animation though.
I mean, now,
though.
yeah.
Only yeah. Look at that. Traveling fast as mud. I don't know what speed going, like Mach 2, Mach 3.
I wonder who got like power his other eye.
I don't know too much about that.
He turned up this fight.
I don't know why I didn't never finish watching that anime.
Oh shit, that was so good.
I heard
He ate his ass alive too.
they talking about Shira, one clap, one shot everybody in the manga Shira.
Shit, he created a whole verse.
Bang. That'd be hard, bro. It's like some tribal tattoos or whatnot.
It's kind of
Yeah,
it's
JoJo,
crazy
huh?
though, you know. They get a tattoo to the black guy. And so they what the hell called? And then his he crazy ink, some shit like that.
I ain't lie, bro. But he like more so like a stone warrior or something like that. Since his eyes white. You know what I'm saying? Because he black too, but
It's too late, bro. It's too late.
God, it made me seem like this on Black History, man.
Back his ass from a tribe.
I mean, bro, cause you know, I'm not even finna explain, bro. I ain't got to explain. I'm black. I ain't explaining myself. Man, narrow-minded people, bro.
He eating his ass alive though, for sure.
You look kind of fat in it right there. That shot. Right there. Slow down. He like
He whooping his ass.
I think I saw a little bit of this.
I'm sure ready for a new season though. I ain't even care.
I ain't on front, bro. I like the have powers, bro, where they come out my foot, bro. So I just walk barefoot all the time. Cause you know, folks that just walk barefoot in animes and dress comfortable, they look cold as a mud, bro. Sword art. I don't know how people didn't like this.
It's crazy people didn't like this.
I like this little arc. Alicization.
That's animal cruelty, ain't it?
And people commit animal cruelty everywhere, man. Slice. Just look at that. People don't like that shit.
You know what I'm saying? Animation always went crazy. Sword art.
Yeah, right.
Always went crazy.
Sometimes the story was questionable, but the animation was always up to par.
Yeah.
Slice. So, you think about it, bro. These folks, these AIs are becoming aware and are gaining souls. So, I don't even know what I was going to say. Well, I was going to say, do you think it's possible that AIs will become more like aware or become sentient later on in life?
iRobot type shit.
Yeah, but not even iRobot type stuff, cause most of the every AI gotta be in a robot.
Ain't like that. If that was happening, bro,
People be having robot girl with AI girlfriends.
you know what type of people they are. You know what type of people they are.
Shoot, I might have to do that in a minute, bro. Kind of lonely over here, man. It's a joke. It's a joke, bro. It's a joke. It's a joke. Just don't be looking at me like that, dude. Can't make jokes nowadays.
You be saying some questionable stuff, bro. I be kind of worried.
Man. The dragon will die. Just look at this, bro.
Look at this shit. How can you not like that?
I like the sound that they make with the swords, bro.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
In reality, bro, they have been fun. It just crazy. I just hate seeing Genos get clapped every time.
He be getting his ass work, and he be strong as shit, though. That's the crazy.
Look at the damage this nigga doing. Look at this. They said, give me your oil, nigga. He angry now.
You know what I'm saying? Like, how many powers does this nigga need to actually defeat a fucking villain? Dang, he got his ass pushed too. Look at this shit.
I'm throwing him, John. Just look at this, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Out here torching his ass.
He ain't causing city destroying damage.
Look at this shit. He still got his ass clapped.
They just be matching him up with the wrong villain. He be clapped.
Why his head go like that though?
But the crazy thing is, them ain't knocked all the rain and stuff away from him with that punch.
Nigga knocked out the rain out the city. Period.
This nigga changing weather.
On some All Might type shit. But you get
another mob.
I ain't like he told me up this fight too.
Yeah, they all try to. Bro, look, bro, ain't this man supposed to be like? I guess his powers change his body, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like when they like, well, fuck all this. Since all this talking shit ain't working, I mean, really about to work your ass.
That's how I need to be all the time, man.
You know what I'm saying? All that talking, that rah ain't gonna cut it.
Disappear.
Sometimes people gotta learn by force. Pause. That didn't sound right. It sounded kind of.
I understand, bro. I'm not gonna say nothing like you just say something to me, bro. Like, I wonder who paid for all the city damage. Nigga mob starting to go crazy now.
Mob liking that shit.
You know it's starting to get messed up when the protagonist actually having fun fighting, bro.
You know what I'm saying? And he don't even show emotion at all.
When they ain't got no control, bro. When they got control, it's all good. When they lose control, y'all done for. You getting terrorized, my boy. He put up a pretty good fight though,
Yeah.
considering his mob. Look at that nigga. What's that? We got pain shit. Damn it. I supposed to seem like an anime fanatic, bro. I'm not knowing the terms. Oh my gosh.
What you trying to get to?
Planetary devastation, yeah.
And that whooping his ass.
It's mad, bro. I don't see how these folks fighting. That nigga put a palm.
Damn.
Oh.
See, look at that.
Yeah.
He lost all hope for this nigga.
He
bro.
just destroying and decomposition of all your atoms, nigga, twisting you into.
That shit kinda hurt.
Ooh. I wonder what's his maximum power, bro. How far can he
I
go?
wonder how would you measure his power, especially since he got that question mark, question mark, question mark.
Yeah.
I could just say 3 question marks, so I can make a lot of what I really needed to.
I always turn to another being, bro. Real question is, ooh, bro, it's on. Your body can't handle that power, bro. It'll turn into
A zombie in there.
a powerful zombie.
Well, they like some use don't die life.
What if a zombie in an apocalypse has supernatural power, bro? Everybody does stuff. No, ain't nothing worse than them World War Z zombies.
And like, cause they running like that, bro, climbing each other, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it's G's. I'm not fighting this shit.
Them niggas power level on like 1,000. Is it a girl, bro? I understand.
It's a girl, bro.
That nuclear bomb type stuff with the.
Oi, oi, oi.
I don't know. The animation was kind of questionable. Some of this
Like that. And now they throw some different shit in there.
I need to go ahead. I will not let you go, right, Fred? What do you say? I forgot the gym. We.
Shit, they even put it in there.
You know what they say, bro? They
Y'all broke it in there too, though.
Yeah, nigga. I remember that first came out. It was broke the internet for like a month. I just like when he first got the little Ultra Instinct. He ain't made like a mini galaxy. Just thinking about it, bro. Nigga had to have niggas with God tier powers, 3 of them, to fight him, and they still basically push that nigga off the ring and fight him to a one-on-one fight. This nigga fought these niggas by like 5-10 times and just started taking them serious after like the 10th time. This bulging muscles.
My thing is, how did they not know about Broly?
Don't plot, man. Just plot. Hiding away. Coming. The beam struggle. Oh, this in dub too. I mess with you. You know when they shirt get off, bro, that's when it gets serious. Kid, just looking down like, nigga, you think you could stop me? Your powers will stop now. No zinc high boost. Man, his body look kind of ugly right there. Like, just mush. Like, his up there short as mud is
Like basically like he number legs.
Yeah.
See, recycle.
Yeah, they say it's probably like cell fight. Dude, punch him in the chest? Oh, they show most of this whole fight.
Yeah.
Ah, like what it.
He like a whole minute right there when he did this shit though.
Dude. Yeah, that's all give me hype the entire time, bro.
Oh, they ain't show his face.
Yeah. Nigga just skating on key waves. Punch menacingly. Get this baby off.
I always like the dub when he like roar. That should be turned. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, that was it for that visually stunning anime fights.
Part 4.
Part four. Yeah, with my boy Annie Studios. Make sure you always check the his link down in the description to go to his YouTube channel and stuff and check out his other videos.
Cause he always dropping heat.
Heat, man. Without him, got a good video, dog. Good video.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but other than that, man, make sure you let us know if you have any anime recommendations that you want us to react to, and
make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
And well, man, just do what it do, man.
That's it.
Just do what it do, G.
We out.
何をしてる立てよ父さん